We have our redhead steering gearbox unwrap, unbox, and install. We'll also be keeping tabs on how it drives. So we're going to go ahead and open this one up. So this guy was purchased through CPP. They were the ones that hooked us up with it. And we're going to see how it's, number one, how it's packaged. Initial impressions. Ooh, a box within a box. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Oh, and that right there is why it's a box within a box. All right. As well as this. Oh, yes. All right, so definitely needed the 2 boxes because that box is hashed. Seems like they probably had some experiences with that. Okay. All right, nicely done. Okay, so this is for an 03 truck. We went with Redhead because we did a lot of searching, a lot of reviews, and these guys, they seem to be some pretty good reviews out there, and they said they put some upgraded stuff in here, so we're hoping. Thread integrity bolts, not for mounting. Please return bolts in core. Nice. Okay. Well, that's fun. What other stuff do we have here, Rusty? Ooh, there's the redhead on it. Any adjustment by anyone will void the warranty. All right. There is no play in the steering gearbox. We are going to put that to the test. So they have a little cap on it. It looks good. We're going to go ahead and get the install cranking. Made in USA. So they remanufactured it here. Nice. All right, we're going to go ahead and get it installed. And we'll cover how the install goes. And, well, I guess we should probably head over there real quick and show you where the old one came out. All right? Don't mind the temporary disaster here. We're getting ready to throw this motor in. So we went ahead and cleaned the old one up as best as we could. Rusty's been working on this project. Rusty, what was your tip that you said?
Knock off the steering arm before you unbolt it.
So knock this guy off before you unbolt it. Makes life a lot easier, I reckon. So we've got the 3 bolts here. What size were they?
18 mil.
18 mils? Yep. Okay, so those 3 right there were 18 mils. You were using a 13 for this guy, right?
Right.
And
you have to take it completely out to get the snout off.
So this guy has to come all the way out. It's not one of those ones that has a spot in the middle where you can back it out some and slide the shaft through. So that guy needs to come all the way out in order to get the steering arm shaft out. And that's all there was to it. Now, this was easy. We have the fender out the front of the truck off, so no biggie. We had access to clean the top of it to get the lines off, even though they probably still weren't that clean. But there it is. We'll pick this up in a little bit, and we'll show you the completed project.